watch the bubbles pass. Little crocodile, crawling on the sand. Slowly, slowly, step by step, across the sunny land. When the evening sky turns gold, you swim back home to rest. Little crocodile curls up tight and sleeps beside the nest.